Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that many of us use daily but often overlook, the Energizer AA batteries, specifically the 32-count Alkaline pack. We found this product online, and you can check out the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly are we reviewing today? The Energizer AA batteries are alkaline power cells designed to provide reliable energy for a variety of devices. In this 32 pack, you'll find a total of 32 AA batteries, perfect for stocking up your household, workplace, or emergency supplies. These batteries are well known for their dependable performance, making them a go-to choice for countless applications. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of this Energizer battery pack. First and foremost, these batteries are built to last. They can hold their power for up to 10 years in storage, which is fantastic for those who like to be prepared for the unexpected. Whether it's for emergency kits during hurricane season or just keeping your gadgets running smoothly, you can trust that these batteries won't let you down when you need them most. Another important aspect is their versatility. Energizer AA batteries are suitable for a wide range of devices. From powering wireless mice and game controllers to flashlights and thermometers, these batteries are designed to fit seamlessly into your daily life. They also work great in smart home devices and VR controllers, ensuring that your tech stays powered up and ready for action. Who is this product suitable for? Honestly, it's perfect for everyone. Families with children will appreciate having a reliable power source for toys that require batteries. Gamers will find them invaluable for keeping their controllers charged and ready for long gaming sessions. If you're someone who relies on smart home technology, these batteries will keep those devices functioning properly. And let's not forget about anyone who wants to be prepared for emergencies. Having a stockpile of these batteries can provide peace of mind during power outages or natural disasters. Now, let's explore some practical use cases. Imagine it's a stormy night, and the power goes out. You reach for your flashlight, only to find it's dead. With Energizer AA batteries on hand, you can quickly replace the batteries in your flashlight, allowing you to navigate through the dark safely. Or consider a family game night where everyone's excited to play their favorite video games. With these batteries, you can keep your controllers charged, ensuring that the fun doesn't have to stop due to dead batteries. Additionally, if you use remote thermometers or other medical devices, having a reliable power source is crucial. These batteries can keep those devices functioning, giving you peace of mind when it comes to monitoring health. And if you're a tech enthusiast, the fact that these batteries are suitable for smart home devices means you won't have to worry about interruptions in your daily routines. Lastly, it's worth mentioning that Energizer is committed to sustainability, as these batteries include recycled materials, specifically, up to 10% recycled steel, excluding 9V. This means that while you're powering your devices, you're also making a more environmentally friendly choice. In summary, the Energizer AA batteries in this 32-count Alkaline pack are an excellent investment for anyone looking for reliable, long-lasting power for their devices. Whether you're preparing for emergencies, need batteries for everyday gadgets, or simply want to ensure that you're always ready for anything, this product has you covered. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.